Today we're going to be solving validate binary search tree. And yeah, I'm just going to jump right into it. But basically, the idea behind this is like you got five here, everything on the left has to be less than five, and everything on the right has to be less than five, greater than, sorry. Oh yeah, greater than five. That's why this one's a false because four is less than five. But pretty much, if even three, let's say this is a six, and then there's a three here, that would be count as less than five. So everything in the subtree here has to be less than five. And yeah, I kind of confused the question at first, so I solved a different thing, but then I kind of redid it. Let's just get right into the code. So you want to first of all define DFS because clearly this is going to be a recursive thing. And pretty much you're going to take in a node, and I just define them as less and great because those are like going to be the less, like we expect this to be less than this amount, and we expect that to be less than greater than that amount. And pretty much what you're going to do is to do the base case first. If node dot file, actually if node is null, I keep going back to Java, return true. And yeah, if not, basically we're gonna do, this is the actual check. So let's say we're on two. Actually, let's say we're on, I guess, yeah, let's just do five for example. If less than node dot var less than great. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Return. So if this is not the case, return false. And yeah, we just gonna do the final return, which is return DFS. That takes in the left node. So far, if this is correct, we've gone through this. This means the actual node is valid, so it's a true. And then we just need to confirm that left node dot left, comma. So what is going to be the less than? So we have to ensure that everything on the left is less than 5. But then this is the less than, so we just pass in less because that is going to be. And then for 5, we're going to pass in node dot val, so everything has to be less than 5, and DFS. So this is going to be node right, and yeah, everything has to be, we're going to pass in node dot val, and everything has to be great. So pretty much what this one's saying is everything on the right, if I'm on the right, let's say I'm 4, we are gonna make sure that 4, like basically 4 is, actually this is, yeah, we're basically saying, wait, 3, so we're saying 2 is yeah, because this is wrong. I was basically, let's say we're 3, we expect 2 to be less than 3, and great is just going to be whatever the infinity we're going to pass into it. And if we just do the DFS, we could just return DFS, and then we could pass in root and float. For less, minus infinite, and for the other one, great, we pass in positive infinity, and voila, This should just run and we should be able to submit it. Yep. All right. Thank you. That's the end of